In this video, we are going to see the Earth's crustal structure. In order to understand the stratigraphy, we first need to understand the uppermost part of the Earth, that is, the crust. The crust is divided into two parts: the continental crust and oceanic crust. In this video, we are just going to focus on the continental crust. The oceanic crust works in the same way. The continental crust is further divided into three parts. First, the upper layer, which is also called as sile, because it is rich in silica and aluminium. Then we have a middle layer, and finally we have a lower layer, which is also called sima, because it is rich in silica and magnesium. Now we are going to talk about the properties of every layer. First, let's talk about the upper layer. The upper layer has a density of 2.2 gram per centimeter cube. The seismic velocity in this layer is range from 1.8 to 5 kilometers per second. The thickness ranges from 2 to 10 kilometer below the surface. The middle layer has a density in range of 2.4 to 2.6 gram per centimeter cube. As you can see, the upper layer is less dense than middle layer. The upper layer float on the middle layer, just like an ice float on water. The middle layer has a seismic velocity of 5 to 6.2 km per second and has a thickness of 15 to 20 kilometers. Finally, lower layer has a density of 2.8 to 3.3 gram per centimeter cube and has a seismic velocity of 6 to 7.6 km per second and has a thickness of 20 to. Now, here is a diagram that can show what we have learned so far. As you can see, here we have the upper layer, and here we have the lower layer. Between the upper layer and lower layer, there is discontinuity called Conrad discontinuity, and between the upper layer and the mantle, there is another layer, which is called Moho discontinuity. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we are going to learn tectonic division of India. Thank you and subscribe to the channel.